what are the benefits of power washing? Power washing offers a multitude of benefits that make it an essential maintenance technique. Firstly, it's a highly effective method for removing stubborn dirt, grime, mold, algae, and even graffiti from a wide range of surfaces. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your property, but also helps in preserving its value and integrity over time. Power washing can also contribute to better health by eliminating harmful allergens and contaminants that can accumulate on surfaces. Moreover, power washing is a time-efficient solution, capable of covering large areas quickly and thoroughly. It's a versatile approach that can be applied to various outdoor surfaces, including driveways, decks, sidewalks, siding, and more. By removing accumulated dirt and debris, power washing prevents premature aging and degradation of surfaces, which can lead to costly repairs down the line. Do you want to experience the magic of power washing? Give us a ring today to discuss your power washing needs. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.